Okay, yes, hello Ajinkya, welcome on Europedia platform, and
Yes, sir.
let's start your snap MOOC for thermodynamics. As you mentioned, you are preparing for L&T.
Yes, sir.
So, what do you like? What actually you studied in this subject, thermodynamics?
Actually, they are focusing on more about the manufacturing part.
No, why you are having B.Tech in mechanical engineering?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so thermodynamics is one of your favorite subjects. So that's why
Yeah,
you are
it's
preparing this subject for
yes,
your
yes.
MOOC.
It is first of all, this is basic concept in thermodynamics.
So tell
That
me,
we have to
what
start.
is your understanding? What important information you got after studying this subject, thermodynamics?
We get to know about the how heat transfer and work we got output.
So how heat transfer takes place, that we study in heat transfer. In
Okay.
thermodynamics, you are not going to find out anything about the heat transfer. How heat transfer takes place? How much heat is
Transformation
required? How much heat is required, that we calculate
in
in
thermodynamics.
thermodynamics. But how it is going to transfer, that we are not going to study in thermodynamics.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So, Ajay, tell me, what do you understand by conservation of energy?
Conservation of energy.
Mhm.
No, sir, I am not able to recall it.
First law, that is first law of thermodynamics.
Yes, yes, internal energy.
क्या होता है ये फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनामिक्स क्या है?
It's about we are means we wrote the first law of thermodynamics for open system and closed system. And for open system is dq is equal to delta u plus
नहीं,
dw.
मैथमेटिकली नहीं चाहिए मेरे को, आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग से कुछ बताओ आप, जिनके टेल मी समथिंग फ्रॉम योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. व्हाट इज फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनामिक्स?
I know about it's related about internal energy.
बताओ. यस, व्हाट इज इंटरनल एनर्जी? हाउ इट इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम एंथैल्पी?
Internal energy is molecular energy in the system.
इंटरनल एनर्जी में और एंथैल्पी में क्या डिफरेंस है जिनके? अच्छा, व्हाट यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय थर्मोडायनामिक इक्विलिब्रियम?
Thermodynamic equilibrium gives us a constant property, thermodynamic property, and then we can calculate it, and then we can define the system. Like if we say thermal equilibrium, then we can calculate
अच्छा,
temperature.
सबसे अच्छे से आपने कौन सा टॉपिक पढ़ा है इन दिस सब्जेक्ट? द टॉपिक व्हिच यू लाइक द मोस्ट इन थर्मोडायनामिक्स?
Thermodynamic systems, open close.
चलो बताओ मेरे को. हाँ, मेरे को बताओ ये आइसोलेटेड सिस्टम क्या होता है? What is isolated system?
Isolated system is perfect example of the universe, the system plus surrounding.
नहीं, first you need to define what you understand by isolated system. Universe is an example. Universe we can consider as an isolated system. It's fine. But how you are going to define the isolated system? What do you understand? What is an isolated system? How it is different from open and closed system?
Isolated system means our energy and mass never be crossed to the boundary of surrounding.
What about work?
Work also not transfer.
But work is also not going to
Transfer, yes.
There is some law, second law of thermodynamics. The entropy of an isolated system can never decrease. What do you understand by this statement? Entropy of an isolated system can never decrease.
Entropy is something that the energy between molecules, and it will never be decreases, because whenever we add the energy or
अजन क्या आप बताओ स्टडी फ्लो क्या होता है? व्हाट इज स्टडी फ्लो?
study flow equation No, sir. I have to revise it.
आप थ्रोटलिंग के बारे में कुछ बता सकते हैं क्या? What is throttling?
Throttling में we decrease the area of cross section, and it is example of the expansion process.
ठीक है. Joule Thompson coefficient क्या होता है? And how it is associated with throttling? What is Joule Thompson coefficient?
No, sir. उतना डीप नहीं पढ़ा.
आपने कार्नोट थ्योरम पढ़ा है क्या?
No,
What
sir.
is Carnot theorem?
No, sir. I have to revise it.
Okay, can you tell me something about Carnot cycle?
Carnot cycle is a very efficient cycle in among all cycles, and we don't have any
Carnot
perfect
cycle
example.
is a reversible cycle.
Yes, sir.
Carnot को हम reversible cycle बोलते हैं. What do you understand by a reversible cycle?
Reversible cycle means polytropic cycles. The
Polytropic
isochloric,
cycles.
isoporic, isobaric, isothermal. There we can calculate constant temperature, constant pressure.
तो auto diesel जो ये cycle है, these are also reversible.
Yes, yes.
तो आपने कभी सुना है जब हम रिवर्सिबल साइकिल्स की बात करते हैं, हम ऑटो साइकिल, डीजल साइकिल, डुअल साइकिल भी लिखते हैं? We're not going to find out. Always we remember, we highlight Carnot cycle as a reversible cycle.
Yes, yes.
नहीं?
Yes.
ऐसा क्यों?
Because auto cycle, diesel cycle are not that much efficient.
चलो मेरा लास्ट क्वेश्चन है आपसे अजंक्या, व्हाट इज सेकंड लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनामिक्स?
सेकेंड लॉ थर्मोडायनामिक्स में टू स्टेटमेंट है. फर्स्ट इज केल्विन प्लैंक्स एंड सेकेंड इज क्लॉसियस. फर्स्ट केल्विन प्लैंक्स related to the heat engine, where we require two reservoir to transfer energy, high temperature to low temperature. And second statement about the Clausius, about heat pump, where we require extra work to transfer the low to high temperature.
ये अवेलेबल एनर्जी क्या होता है? व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय अवेलेबल एनर्जी?
Available energy, where we got from the source.
What is irreversibility?
Irreversibility is a fast process.
चलो मैं आपको फीडबैक दे देता हूँ भैया जन क्या.
ओके सर.
देखो अभी आप रेडी नहीं हो, इवन यू आर अनेबल टू आंसर वेरी सिंपल डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस. मैंने आपको बहुत बेसिक डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस पूछे हैं एंड यू आर अनेबल टू आंसर मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस. So what I feel, you need to study, you need to watch the marathon class. Some marathon lecture you will find on the Europedia YouTube channel.
Correct.
तो वो thermodynamics का marathon class first you need to watch. And then tomorrow again you need to join me.
Tomorrow.
आज का आपका टारगेट क्या है कि वो 5-6 घंटे का मैराथन क्लास है थर्मोडायनामिक्स का, दैट एंटायर यू नीड टू कंप्लीट.
ओके सर.
आज का टारगेट लेके चलना है. कल उसको थोड़ा सा एनालाइज करना है, सोचना है रात को सोने से पहले कि व्हाटएवर यू हैव वॉच्ड इन दैट वीडियो, दैट यू नीड टू एनालाइज.
ओके सर. ओके सर.
और फिर कल दोबारा से टेक्स्ट बुक से रिवाइज करके देन अगेन यू नीड टू अपीयर फॉर द स्नैप. तो 2-3 सब्जेक्ट अच्छे से करके जाओ.
ओके.
Okay, this time you are not looking ready, although your delivery style is looking fine. You are not looking that much nervous. Okay. So I feel if you will be able to build your concepts, okay, or if you get sufficient content, then effectively you will be able to highlight that in front of the interviewer. But obviously, if you are not having content in your mind, then you are going to face the difficulty. So your delivery style is fine, confidence is fine, there is no issue. But yes, you need to build your concepts. You need to go through the textbook. You need to watch the marathon class. Finally, then kya?
Okay, sir.
For any technical doubt or anything, if you want to discuss with me, you can shoot your query through WhatsApp.
Okay, sir. No problem.
Okay, good luck.
Thank you, sir.